In Part 1, we covered your rights with police and courts. Now, let's dive deeper. How the court system works, the Supreme Court, lower courts, and how lawyers get licensed. The Supreme Court is the highest court in the United States. It doesn't hear every case, only a small number that have major constitutional or federal issues. Its rulings set legal precedent that all lower courts must follow. If a case is appealed through the system and reaches the Supreme Court, the decisions there can change the law nationwide. But most cases never reach this level. They're resolved in lower courts. Congress creates lower federal courts, like district courts and courts of appeal. These are the courts where most cases start and where you will interact with the legal system the most. District courts handle trials and facts. Appellate courts review whether the law was applied correctly. And, of course, the Supreme Court has the final say. Each lower court has a specific type of jurisdiction, subject matter, and territorial. Your case goes to the right court based on what type of law is involved and where the event occurred. If a court is the wrong type, that's something your lawyer can challenge. Attorneys don't just show up and start practicing. They must be licensed by a state bar association, meaning they've passed the bar exam and met character and fitness requirements. The Bar Association regulates who can practice law and enforces ethical rules. Licensed attorneys are legally authorized to represent you, file motions, and argue in court. Trying to navigate the system without a lawyer is possible, but it's risky. Lawyers know the rules, procedures, and how to challenge jurisdiction or evidence properly. Here's how it ties together. Police enforce the law. Lower courts hear your case and apply the law. Appellate courts review legal errors. And the Supreme Court sets the ultimate legal precedent. Attorneys are your guides through this entire system, ensuring your rights are protected at each step. Understanding the court system gives you power. Know where your case belongs, know who has authority, and work with licensed attorneys to protect your rights. Remember, challenging jurisdiction or evidence works best in the proper legal process, not by rejecting authority on your own. The law can seem complex, but knowledge is your shield. When you know how courts work and how lawyers operate, you're better equipped to defend your rights, challenge errors, and ensure justice is served.